Today is the day of the show. A few too many Guinnesses last night. Frank Kelly's here today. This is the car that I've been offered to drive tomorrow on the run. Bit of a Capri corner over here. Revs to 10,300 revs. That's mad. Yeah, quite strange being asked to do an interview. When you're in Ireland and there's no Costa Coffees local, it's Irish coffee time.
To make your donations to the Parkinsons Support Fermanagh charity, please use the bank details in the description of this video. And I want to send a massive thanks to each and every one of you that does decide to donate a few quid.
Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes. As you'll know if you've been watching my videos, we're here for the Summit Run and Show this weekend, and today is the day of the show. Now the weather isn't great today, but that was expected, and the car park is filling up with cool classic cars. It's mainly all classic Fords. In fact, it's mostly Mark II Escort rally cars, but there are some other bits here as well. Now I got up a little bit later than I planned today, thanks to a few too many Guinnesses last night and because I was sitting up editing. But yeah, first thing on my agenda is to get some breakfast. And a sausage and bacon roll. All right, now we're full of breakfast and coffee. Let's go and check out some cars. The rain has got a bit lighter, which is good. Yeah, this Mark II Escort rally car was actually under a tarpaulin. That's good to see it out. Like most of the cars here, it's a Group 4 rally car, the mini light alloys. You're gonna see a lot of them today. 6 spotlights on the front. Yeah, most of the cars here are Group 4 rally cars. A bit of a Capri corner over here with this 2.8 injection. Another 2.8 injection over here. Got this really nice Mark I GT. All right, seeing as they're playing copyright music, I think I'm just gonna cue my own music. Frank Kelly's here today in his 2.5 Millington powered Mark II Escort. If you don't know who Frank Kelly is, just Google it. It's in loads of videos of this thing rallying and jumping over crests. An absolute beast. It's actually making 355 horsepower and 270 foot-pounds of torque from a 2.5 Millington lump. Now, believe it or not, this is the car that I've been offered to drive tomorrow on the run. Awesome bit of kit, proper cockpit. ST170 in the bay, running on the ME221 ECU. Check out the cup holders on the scoop. Can't wait to get behind the wheel of this tomorrow. Sun's come out, which is good. The 2 rally cars we saw at Porridge yesterday. This one's running a crossflow on the Gen V Heritage throttle bodies, and this one's running a BDA that revs to 10,300 revs. That's mad. Chatting to the owner of this one a little while ago as well. Beautiful Olympic blue Mark II. And this is Porridge's Mark II rally car. It's got a Pinto in the bay. Rocking my sticker. Awesome car. Is the Mark II rally car that we see doing donuts yesterday with the pharmacy livery. Yeah, this white 4-door's actually got hand controls. Car's still arriving. Check out that beautiful blue Mark II. And I think I heard something pretty leery coming down the road. Hugh and Sue have got this really cool sign stall they've set up here at the show, and they very kindly gave me this Ford sign to put in my garage. Thank you so much. And they actually have a proper shop that we're going to be stopping off at during the run tomorrow. Right, there's actually a guy here called Pat who's brought his drone, so time to get a different perspective of the show. Yeah, quite strange being asked to do an interview. Now that the weather's improved, I thought I might as well give you a quick look at the lake here. Check out all the cool boats, and this place really is beautiful. I've been given another free gift today. This cool jacket, which is given to me by AD and Angus. AD's the guy that's very kindly letting me drive his Mark II Escort tomorrow, and Barry is going to be my co-driver. First Guinness of the day.
And the car whom we thought maybe, and no doubt, is the car of the day here, and it's a Ford 8. A Ford 8, and I think she's 1937. Vincy. Come up, Vincy. Come up, Vincy. And here's the prize. Here we go.
A few cars leaving. Yeah, the car park is starting to empty, but just trying to catch some of the cars leaving. Hopefully some of them are going to give it some sideways action. When you're in Ireland and there's no Costa Coffees local, it's Irish coffee time. Got told off for drinking my Guinness too slow yesterday, so I'm just wondering how I'm supposed to drink this without offending the locals. Oh, that's good, man. All right, time to grab some grub. Me and Kat are starting off with quite an Italian starter. Bad influence. Dived straight in without filming it first, but it is delicious. All right, so after a few Guinnesses and some food, the night is now winding down here. I've had an absolutely epic time here at the Summit show. I can't wait till tomorrow for the summit run, where I will be piloting AD's Mark II Escort Group 4 rally car. Massive thanks to you for allowing me to do that tomorrow. I really, really appreciate it. Also, massive thanks to you, AD and Angus, for the free jacket. And also, massive thanks to Hugh and Sue for the free Ford sign. The rain has started again, so I need to end this video here and get myself into some shelter. If you thought this video was any good, please do give it a thumbs up and a share. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Click subscribe to keep up to date with all my future uploads, and check the links in the description to my social media and my website. I'll also leave my email address down there for anyone who wants to contact me. Massive thanks to each and every one of you for your continued support of my channel. You do not want to miss the next video, but for now, thanks for watching.
To make your donations to the Parkinsons Support Fermanagh charity, please use the bank details in the description of this video. And I want to send a massive thanks to each and every one of you that does decide to donate a few quid.